Hello everybody, hope all is well. In today's class we are going to discuss in details about some must read books, materials and resources for NET NET, JRF or SET exam, and the subject of discussion is English. So we will know what are the books that we have to read to pass the NET exam, JRF or SET in English subject. Before that, let us know what type of exam is NET or SET. So exam type is MCQ type question, meaning there are MCQ multiple choice questions are asked in this exam, and it is the online exam. The students have to sit for online exam, and there is no negative marking in this exam. Let us come to the point that there are two papers in this exam, NET exam, the paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 consists of 50 questions, each carrying 2 marks, so total 100 marks. The most important thing that we have to keep in mind that we have to read, go through and analyze the previous year questions first. 10 to 15 years question paper, we have to get it, and then we have to read to the in-depth analysis of the previous questions is compulsory. And for that purpose we can consult the book, a book by Harpreet Kaur, Oxford publication, on paper 1, Teaching and Research Aptitude. This is the book we have to consult, or in addition to that we can also consult Teaching and Research Aptitude by KVS Madan, Pearson publication. So these are the two books that we can consult, and we can easily pass paper 1 or Teaching and Learning Aptitude. Now come to the next paper, that is very important significant paper, paper 2. Paper 2, it carries 100 questions, each carrying 2 marks, meaning 200 marks in total. For this also, the most important thing is that we have to read, we have to analyze, we have to go through the previous year questions. 10 to 15 years questions, in-depth analysis is very much required. If we go through the questions, that we will able to know the areas from where questions are set, and we will also able to know that what type of questions are asked in this exam. So it is very, very important, very urgent and very necessary. The first work that we have to do, that we have to go through the previous year questions or past year's questions to get the basic idea, so that it will be very beneficial for us. And for that we can consult the book English Knowledge Bank. It is a very good book, English Knowledge Bank, Solve Papers with Explanatory Notes by Youth Competition Times publication. This book is very important book, and in this book we will get the previous year questions very easily, and also answers, and also some explanatory notes. It is very significant book. Now come to the point that in paper 2 there are 10 units from where the questions are asked in English. So there are 10 units, and for unit 1 drama, unit 2 poetry, unit 3 fiction short story, and unit 4 non-fictional prose. For these 4 units we have to consult the following book. Number 1, English Literature by William J. Long. It is very, very, very significant book. The Routledge History of Literature in English by Roland Carter and John McCrae. So these are the very important books. These two books are very much need. These are the most read books. We have to read must. English Literature by William J. Long, and number 2, The Routledge History of Literature in English by Roland Carter and John McCrae. And for further studies, for in-depth studies, we also can consult David Datches and also Edward Albert. But for advanced studies these books are needed, but for the basic thing that to pass the exam we can only consult English Literature by William J. Long and The Routledge History of Literature in English by Roland Carter and John McCrae. Now come to Unit 5. Unit 5, Language, Basic Concepts, Theories, Pedagogy, English in Use. So this is the topic, and for that reason we can consult a single book, that is Pedagogy of English by S.L. Chaudhary and Indira Bharadwaj. It is very significant book, Pedagogy of English by S.L. Chaudhary and Indira Bharadwaj. It is very, very good book, and from this book we can easily learn the pedagogy concept and English language. Now come to the next, that is Unit 6. Unit 6 is English in India, History, Evolution and Futures. For that area, we have to read The Story of English in India by N.L.L. Krishnasamy. Also, we can consult A History of Indian English Literature by M.K. Nair. You can consult any one of these two books, but the number 2 books is very easier to go through, A History of Indian English Literature by M.K. Nair. Now come to Unit 7, that is Cultural Studies. We can consult An Introduction to Cultural Studies by Pramod K. Nair. It is a very good book. This book is sufficient for that unit. Now come to Unit 8, Literary Criticism, and Unit 9, Literary Theory Post World War II. For these 2 units, we can consult 1. Beginning Theory by Peter Barry, Modern Literary Criticism and Theory by M.A.R. Habib, and Contemporary Literary and Cultural Theory by Pramod K. Nair. These 3 books are very much needed to clear all the areas, concepts of literary criticism and theory. So we have to consult all the 3 books, so there will be no dark areas in theory and criticism. Next comes Unit 10, that is Research Methods and Materials in English. For this unit, we can consult Research Methods in English by M.P. Sinha. This single book is enough for this unit. Okay. Now, in addition to that, we also have to read 2, A Glossary of Literary Terms by M.H. Abrams, Post-Colonial Literature and Introduction by Pramod K. Nair, and Upkar's An Objective History of English Literature MCQ by Dr. B.B. Jain. All the 3 books are very important, and one has to go through all the 3 books after going through the syllabus. Then also a student can consult other sources like Wikipedia, SparkNotes, LitChats, CliffNotes, neoenglish.com, and also can Google it or internet it, or you can search the videos and notes from YouTube. If a student can go through these materials, sources and books, he or she can easily crack NET, SET or JRF. Okay, so go through the books and get them easily and pass the very important exam, that is NET, SET or JEF. Okay, keep studying, keep learning. Thank you.